10 early warning signs of dementia. From failing to pick up on sarcasm and mismanaging funds, to forgetting appointments and always falling, dementia can take any form and show signs that are not easily recognizable. Generally, any change in a person's abilities or behavior over time should cause concern. Whether you are concerned for a loved one or yourself, it's essential to know the signs of dementia, as this can help you get an early diagnosis, treatment, and management. Following are 10 early warning signs of dementia. 1. Memory loss that impairs daily activities. It's normal to forget something only to remember it later, but for persons with dementia, this memory loss may occur more often. People with dementia may find it challenging to recall information they just learned, and may depend on family and friends to help them keep track of things. 2. Inability to solve problems or plan effectively. If you or someone you know finds it difficult to perform a routine task, such as cooking a meal or wearing socks, it might be a sign of dementia. People with dementia may find it challenging to follow a plan. Also, their problem-solving skills, such as calculating bills, may be low. 3. Inability or difficulty carrying out regular tasks. If you or someone you know were able to carry out specific tasks before, and suddenly forget how to do those same tasks, it might be a sign of dementia. For instance, they may need help making coffee, changing the TV station, or operating a computer. This type of difficulty, unfortunately, can be experienced at home or work. 4. Language problem. Anyone can find it occasionally difficult to find the right words to express themselves. But if you or anyone you know forget words more often, or keep substituting words with other words or sentences that don't fit into a conversation, it's time to visit a psychiatrist. 5. Confusion about time and place. Have you ever forgotten what day of the week it is? Or go into the bedroom and can't recall why you were there? It's normal and happens to the best of us. People with dementia, however, can get lost in their street without a clue on how to call or get home. These people may also need help understanding past events and remembering dates and times. 6. Impaired judgment. Persons with dementia may struggle to understand right, reasonable, or fair. For instance, they may buy what is unnecessary, pay too much for things they buy, or argue about something unreasonable. Also, people with dementia have poor personal hygiene as they do not care or are unaware of their appearance. 7. Tendency to misplace things. Anyone can misplace a key, but when you or anyone you know always find it difficult to remember where you placed items, like the remote control, wallet, phone, and other things, it can be an early sign of dementia. Losing personal possessions for such persons can be frustrating and lead to accusing others of stealing. 8. Mood swings. One of the signs of dementia is a change in personality or mood swings. For instance, the person may suddenly become fearful, depressed, anxious, or irritable. Such persons may also misbehave or become disinhibited. 9. Lack of interest in social activities. People with dementia may refuse to associate with others at work or home. They may become withdrawn, refusing to talk to others or respond when spoken to. They may also lose interest in hobbies, such as singing, sports, etc. 10. Difficulty in comprehending spatial information. If you have difficulty navigating spaces or arranging items correctly, it can be an early sign of dementia. People with dementia may also experience double vision. When to see a doctor. If anyone you know is experiencing any of the symptoms we've outlined, seeing a doctor is essential. The doctor will carry out a series of tests and assessments, and only upon confirmation will you or the person be diagnosed with dementia. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.